Sometimes our feelings feel too big. When that happens, pause. Press your feet gently into the ground. Feel the floor holding you, safe and steady. Take a slow breath in and out. Imagine your breath is a wave washing over those big feelings. They don't have to disappear. Just soften. Whisper to yourself, I can start again. You're calm. You're safe. You're ready.